Hi, my name is Mackenzie Jones, and for my video tour, I used data that I had made previously in this class that was about the average obesity rate in all 50 states of America over the past 3 years compared to the McDonald's per capita of all 50 states. For my image for this tour, I made a McDonald's, which represents a part of my data, and I placed it in Honolulu, Hawaii, because Hawaii is the leading McDonald's per capita state in the nation. And you can see that when we zoom out, and the data is placed over Hawaii, and they have the highest McDonald's per capita of over 5, and they have an average BMI of 23, which is actually quite low. That's not an overweight society there. Then we move on to Nevada, which is the second outlier in my data set that has a McDonald's per capita of once again over 5, and they only have a BMI of 25. But now, as we jump to Texas, Texas has an average BMI of 30 and a McDonald's per capita of 3.55. So their McDonald's per capita is quite a bit lower, yet they have a very obese population. Then we move on to Oklahoma, which has an even greater obesity rate, and the obesity rate is anything above 30 BMI. So they have an even greater obesity rate and a greater McDonald's per capita at 4.33. Then we move on to Kansas, and they have an average BMI of 29, which is still considered to be overweight but not obese, and they have a McDonald's per capita of 5.32. Then we move on to Wisconsin, which has a BMI of 27.4, which is also still overweight, and McDonald's per capita of 5.13. Then, as we move to Michigan, they have an average BMI of 30.5, which is obese, and a McDonald's per capita of 5.4, which is second highest to Hawaii. Then we move on to Ohio, which has an average BMI of 29.6, which is almost a obese population, and a McDonald's per capita of 5.37. Then we move on to West Virginia, which has a very large BMI of 32.2 and a large McDonald's per capita of 4.95. Then we move on to Kentucky, our home state, with an average BMI of 31.5, which is obese, and a McDonald's per capita of 5.25. Then as we move on to Missouri, you see very similar numbers, 30.3 and 5.12, and again very similar numbers, 30.6 and 4.52. Then as we move to Tennessee, we see very similar numbers to Kentucky, 31.9 BMI and at McDonald's per capita 4.72. And all of these states have obese populations, along with South Carolina that has a 30.9 BMI and a McDonald's per capita of 4.17. Then we move on to Louisiana, which has an average BMI of 31.5 and a McDonald's per capita of 5.27. Once again, very obese with many McDonald's per capita. And then we move on to Alabama, which is the second fattest state in America, with an average BMI of 32.3 and McDonald's per capita of 4.56. And then we move on to the fattest state in America that has an average BMI of 34.4, which is Mississippi. And they are by far the fattest state in America. And as we zoom out, we can see that the majority of the top 17 fattest states in America are in the southern eastern part of America. So by putting the data into this format, it's easy to see that there is a correlation between the location in America of the fattest states, therefore indicating that there could be even more reasons that people in these areas are obese other than just the McDonald's per capita.